Hello, my name is Rodney White, and I'm the proud principal here at the Paul Lawrence Dunbar Young Men's Leadership Academy. Our campus was established in 2012, and we've had a myriad of success to date that I'm very proud of, and so I'm excited for you to meet the dream team. I received my bachelor's degree in biology at Abilene Christian University in Abilene, Texas. I also received my master's at the University of Texas at Arlington for educational leadership and policy studies. I've been a principal at Glencrest 6th grade campus and had the pleasure of opening this campus. A lot of times I get asked, why a principal? Why did you want to be a principal? And it's very simple. I love helping people, and I love paying it forward, as many have helped me through my journey along the way. And so it's just great to have your purpose and know what you're doing and love your job. And so I do enjoy helping our dream team and our scholars reach their maximum potential at the school, and seeing young men go off to college and be very successful in their lives. One of the ways that we accomplish this is by ensuring that all of our parents and scholars have access to their grades and attendance at all times. And we call this the YMLA Parent/Scholar Focus Access. So if you go to www.fwisd.org, at the top of the screen you will see the word students. You click the word students and then click the word on the side that says focus. When you click focus, you will see a sign on screen very similar to this that will ask you for your username and your scholar's password. Our scholar's username and passwords are very specific and individualized to them, and so their username will be a capital S with their student ID number at stu.org. And then their scholar password will be their first initial, last initial, school number, which ours is 083. Here's an example of what a mock username and password would look like. If it does not work, please contact the school because your scholar may have changed it and did not let us know. One of the major things that makes our school special is having very active parents that know what's going on at the school and can support us. And we do that through our organization called the Parent Teacher Scholar Association. The YMLA PTSA strives to positively impact the lives of our young men, their families, and the community to enhance learning and socialization here at our school. Our three pillars for the PTSA are communication, support, and participation. We hope that you are interested in joining the PTSA and being a deeper part of our learning community. If you would like to join, please go to joinpta.org, type in YMLA, and you can find information on how you can join. Again, I'm very proud to be your principal here at YMLA. I am here at your service. My contact is rodney.white@fwisd.org. Also, our phone number is 817-815-3400. I look forward to you having a great evening with the Dream Team, and I am at your service.